In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. S and X to scale in the X-axis, and S and Y to scale in the Y-axis. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Ctrl R to add a loop cut, and mouse wheel up to add 2 in total. Scale the loop cuts like this to bring them closer to the end. We need more loop cuts. In edit mode, let's press Ctrl R to add a loop cut, and add 25 cuts in total. In edit mode, we need to Shift, Alt select random edge loops, and proportionally move them like this. Let's use the mouse wheel to expand the affected region. G and Z to bring them down. Let's add the array modifier. I'll bring them back up a bit. Let's set up the render scene, and use the sky texture. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.